How to get and use honey sprinkler in Grow a Garden on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about getting the honey sprinkler and using it in Grow a Garden on Roblox. So in the Roblox game Grow a Garden, the honey sprinkler is a special item available only during the Busy Bee event. This item gives crops near it the honey glazed mutation, which makes them worth 5 times their normal value. And here's how you can get and use it. So in order to get the honey sprinkler, you need to buy it with the honey. It costs 30 honey, the event currency. It's only available during the Busy Bee event, which ends on June 7, 2025. So in order to get it, you need to talk to the Queen Bee NPC and choose I want to trade honey to open the honey shop. Buy it with Robux. And if the honey sprinkler is sold out for honey, you can buy it for 199 Robux. So how to use the honey sprinkler? You need to equip the sprinkler first. Open your inventory and select the honey sprinkler. Place it in your garden. Click where you want to put the sprinkler in your garden. It works for 1 minute, and when active, it gives the honey glazed mutation to all crops in its range. Also harvest the mutated crops. After the sprinkler is done, simply harvest the crops to get the increased value, and also use it on expensive crops. Put the sprinkler near crops like beanstalk, moon blossom, or candy blossom to make the most money. Use it with multi-harvest crops. Crops like pink lily and purple dahlia are good choices because you can harvest them multiple times. The honey glazed mutation can be combined with other mutations to increase the crop value even more. So that's it for the video. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.